Hello guys, today we are checking S Pen tips installation. I have purchased this product from Amazon for 500 rupees. Let's see what's inside the box. Here we got a very small package. In this we got a clip to remove nibs. Let's remove all other covers. Here we got 5 pieces of black tips. Quality of the tip is decent. We also got white tips as well. Both are of same, there is no difference. Let's see how to install now. Here I am using S6 Lite tab S pen which I purchased in 2020, and this pen I got in the box for free, and this is also available in the website. I tried removing the tip using the clip in the package. I tried 2 to 3 times, but I am not able to pull the tip using the clip because I feel there is no proper grip. Here you can use nail cutter to remove the tip very easily. Don't hold it too much tightly, you may damage the old nib. I'm going to replace the black one with a white tip. Place it in the hole and just give it a small press. Now we will test it on a tab. Here I'm just writing a sample text. You can see there is no latency, and also the writing is very smooth. This is very good deal for 500 rupees, as you will get around 10 tips. I have given the link in the description. Please check it out. Like this video and subscribe my channel.